Hey everybody, it's Jasmine. So today I am bringing you guys a highly requested video that I put off for literally years, and the reason why I put this video off was because I was so ashamed of my old vanity. As most of you guys know, I do live with my boyfriend now, so for the duration of when I lived with my boyfriend, I had everything on this really small table, so crammed I could barely like dig through my makeup, and that's why for like the past few months you guys have only been seeing me use like the same products and not really, you know, using anything different. So for my 21st birthday, my boyfriend and one of my friends got me a vanity, and I'm excited to show you guys, and I'm excited to actually organize my makeup. So right now you literally just see my makeup all scattered in the drawers. So today's video is just going to be not only like giving you guys a glimpse of my makeup collection. I'm not really gonna talk a lot about it. You guys can pretty much see what my makeup collection is all about. It's pretty like straightforward. And then, you know, just taking out some things and then just reorganizing. So I hope you guys all enjoy this video, and let's get started. So pretty much this first drawer here is all of my complexion products. I have all of like my setting sprays in the back. I have my concealers in this area, and then primers here, and then foundations here. You've seen me use all of this stuff. Like, I just have multiples. I have multiples of the same thing. So like multiple ColourPop, multiple Catrice, Elf, Tarte, and then like the foundations I always wear. So these, like, this isn't really anything new. I use the same complexion products when it does work for me. So I just went to Daiso today, like literally a few hours ago, and I got these plastic acrylic containers here just so I could, you know, just place them in here and have everything, you know, when I pull it out, like it's just not like shifting everywhere. So I am going to start putting my concealers in this bin. I am also just going to take out my foundations for now because I might want to do something with that later. So maybe putting that there. Can you guys see that? Yeah, so just maybe putting the concealers here. I'm not really sure if I really want to put my foundations in a bin because I don't know, I just feel like they're so thick and I'm only going to be able to put like 5 of them in there. So I guess like for this little area I'm going to put like my small things like my eye cream, my eye drops, so that I'm not having to like fully dig around for it. And then I did buy another acrylic case. There is a little bit of room here, a little bit of wiggle room, but honestly that's fine. So I am gonna just like put, I guess, my primers in here because those ones vary from size to size, so might as well just pop that in here. These are all things you've seen before. Ooh, actually, since I have a lot of room still in the concealer portion, I'm also going to move some of the concealer like in the double layer because I don't use all of them. Some of them are unopened. I am gonna put like my moisturizer in here. Things that like I don't always reach for, but I still reach for, so that it kind of just looks like that, and then yeah, and then it should close. Yeah, it's closing. So everything in the back here are my setting sprays. I think I kind of want to just leave it as is because I don't know, what is that? So I think I'm just going to lay down my foundations because they all, like I said, vary in sizes. So I can kind of just put whatever foundations in whatever place. Alright, so it's looking a little bit better, a little bit more organized. So I think we can now move on into the next drawer. And this one focuses, it's really messy. I do have, let me move it down. I do have like my lashes, eyeliner, eyebrow, mascara. Like literally this is the messiest drawer. So I'm gonna take this one out. So I put all of my lips already in a box, but I do want to transport this into a container because I think that it would be more beneficial than this. And I also might as well just take away like my powders. I might as well just like take out everything from this drawer just so we could start from scratch. And it'll be a little bit, you know, cleaner and not as crazy and messy. So instead of those big rectangular containers, I did buy these like slim ones. And I'm pretty sure these ones are for pencils, but we're gonna use them for my eyeliners. So I will put, these are all my kohl liners. I will put them all in here. And then let's dig out my regular liquid liner so that we can kind of just put them all together, all the eyeliners in one spot. Seems pretty good, you know, seems a little bit more better put together. And then I did buy 2 extra of the same size. So let me just tear this apart, take off the little price sheets. And I think here, I think brows and mascara would be pretty good because that's what I see like the most out of here. Lash glue can go here. Brow gel can go here. And then my random perfumes, I guess, can go here because I don't really have anywhere else to put it. My random roller balls. These ones are clean. I have Rain and Warm Cotton. Warm Cotton. That's my scent. That's my signature scent. Okay, so I'm messing around with my little containers. So I do have my third one here, so I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna put here. But I also have this one, and the front is kind of cut off, but it's like a pretty big rectangle, and it fits very perfectly in here. I bought 2 of those from Daiso, so I could just have like them here, and I think they'll be pretty good. So for sure, I do want to fill these ones up first because I feel like I know what I want to put in here already. So I'm going to put like my bronzers, blush, and highlight, you know, simple stuff. Fits pretty well. Now let's look at this lip drawer. Now here are all my lips. I use every single one, okay? Listen, I'm not a hoarder. I want you guys to know this. I'm not a hoarder because I use every single one, okay? Don't come for me. I use it. Thank you so much. All right, I brought you guys in a little closer. I don't know, I'm having troubles filming this, but I low-key want to put my nudes here. I don't know, just seems right. It seems like the right thing to do. Okay, you know what? I'm having a lot of troubles figuring out how I want to, you know, put my lipsticks in these containers. I definitely want to put like my nudes on top, so I'm gonna put the products that I barely use on the bottom. I don't know. I still need to figure this out. This is my first time doing something like this, so it's all still in the works. Okay, I'm gonna put my lip liners here. Easy access, and then also my minis will go here as well, also for easy access because I use my minis a lot. I know not a lot of people, when they have mini liquid lips, they don't really utilize them, but I do. And then I'll also put my chapsticks in here, again for easy access. And then everything else will go in the back. Okay, you know what? For the time being, we're gonna just put the rest of the liquid lips that I did not have a home for in the back here. And that's fine because Daiso is next to my house. That's fine. That is fine. So I'm just going to put the powders back down into this little area. The lashes that will go right there. All right, love that. Okay, and then this is already pretty much organized. I know it doesn't look organized, but just trust me that it is. So these are all of anything palette. So face palette, eye palette, you name it. I love palettes, but I try not to buy a lot of them because, as you can see, I have a lot and I have more than, you know, the average person. So in this corner right here, this is always going to be the closest to me whenever I'm filming, whenever I'm doing my makeup. So these are like my most used palettes. So Focallure Ever Changing, Androgyny. This is actually something that I need to use in a video, so that's also why it's kind of close to me. Dose of Colors, Desi and Katie, and all of my Prism Supreme palettes. Here I have Shot Missy, this Real Her blush palette. These are like my mini palettes, you know, just mini palettes. The ones in the back here are my bigger palettes, so like my Morphe. I have my Emily palette, my Single Shadows, a Random Modern Renaissance. And then behind this is followed by my ColourPop palettes because these are actually small enough to fit in this area, so that's why I keep it there. And then behind are like more of like longer palettes. These again are face palettes. So my Makeup Revolution Rose, what is this one? Golden Sugar 2 Rose Gold. And then I have a bronzer palette, you know, things of that nature in the back. Down here is a little bit messy, but we get into my business cards, extra film for my Polaroid, a hairbrush. These are like hair related things, if you guys can't tell. This is just like cotton pads that I haven't used in a long time. My scalp massager, the thing that I use to get my hair out of my face. And then my perfume, my ring, just random stuff in here. Scalp spray, SPF, extra shampoo, conditioner, my hair tools, my dry shampoo, more hair related things in here, and then a little bit of miscellaneous items as well. So now we get to the final drawer on the bottom, and this actually is like the craziest drawer. As you can see, it's like filled to the brim, but I know where everything is because these are just filled with like recent purchases. I just recently went to TJ Maxx. It was my birthday week, so I got a lot of presents. So a lot of this stuff is like fairly new to my collection because it was my birthday. So I have a lot of things I want to try out, a lot of things that I bought, a lot of things that I got for free for my birthday, like the Drunk Elephant from Sephora. Hello, love that. And just things from recent videos that I really want to get into. So all new things in this one. Okay, so now we are getting into my desk area. This is the tabletop. This mirror is actually one that I got for my birthday. This is from the brand Love for Vanity. And it's pretty nice, it's pretty big, so I have that here, and we can move on into like what's in here. So I've always had this ever since like my old house, and I don't know, just these are just like my front row items. So you've seen these items a lot. A lot of the drawers are actually like my backups, so it just has a lot of things that I'm always reaching for, my ride or die products, and it's just easier access than digging around in the drawers below. So in here I just have like all my dirty sponges, all the sponges that I use on a daily basis. I always have my moisturizer up front and ready for action, hand cream, because I'm very, very ashy. I do have my fan here, and as far as the drawers are concerned, the top one, you guys seen these products all the time. So my e.l.f. bronzer, Wet n Wild brow powder, Shop Miss A banana powder, my Laura Geller Gilded Honey, and then beneath that you could probably see that I do have a palette. This is the Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette, and the reason why it's on the top shelf is because my best friend bought it for me, so she deserves to be up here. She won the title. And then the second one is kind of like my loose eyeshadows, single eyeshadows, just singular items, so like singular highlights, eyeshadows, blushes, brows, things, anything that's in a pot. Here, random, I just have like bigger Wet n Wild palettes just because these ones are easier to lose in my opinion. And then lash glue in case I need it on the side, and then just random like liquid eyeshadow and a lipstick. These ones have my powders, Super Shock shadows, blush, highlight, glitters. These ones, this drawer down here is dedicated to my Shop Miss A stuff. So my Shop Miss A velour eyeshadows and velour highlights, and then their perfect blushes are in the back, and then one ColourPop Super Shock shadow because I have nowhere to put those. And then just like the bottom drawer, I do have a drawer filled with things that are unopened. These are actually more of like my sample items. So here I have like another Essence Lash Princess, and then everything else like, you know, free gift with purchase. If we go down into here, these ones are mostly like my lash drawers, like the lashes that I've never used, but I like to keep them here because I like to see my options as far as lashes are concerned. So I have this one up here. These ones have more of the miniature Wet n Wild eyeshadows. I always wanted to do a video featuring them, but I've just never had time to do it. I have some by Oh Honey lashes, lash label. And then here are like more of my Cocoa lashes. If you can see that by the pink box. More Oh Honey lashes, Lily lashes. Love that. And then this just has my jewelry on it. It's a jewelry holder. This is a plant that I got for my birthday from my friend Linnea. Love that. And then since I turned 21, obviously everyone decided to give me alcohol, but I don't drink. So they're just here for decoration for now. Like look at how cute it is. Oh, and then my boyfriend's deodorant because he just, yeah. So then we are moving here, and this is pretty much where the desk ends. So here I just have like my notebooks for school, like in this corner right here, this one. And then here are my extra film for my Polaroid here. I do have a Buddha head because I'm Buddhist. I have my piggy bank back here, you know, just filled with coins, and then all of my brushes. So yeah, I have a lot. I'm a hoarder with brushes, but I do have a brush collection video already, and I do have a series on my channel where I talk about, let me just look in the mirror, where I talk about my makeup collection series. It's pretty good. Not much has changed, honestly. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Obviously, I do have to actually go to Daiso to get more of those storage containers, but that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of lengthy, it was kind of long, but I hope you guys enjoyed nonetheless, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Peace out, Girl Scouts.